Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today we're taking a look at this brand new 2024 Surveyor Legend 19 RB LE travel trailer. This is a smaller, lightweight couples coach with a slide. We're going to take a few minutes and walk you through the inside and outside of this RV, kind of show you what this thing's all about. So let's get started on the inside here real quick. Again, one slide out, smaller model. So stepping in here, you're going to have the slide out over here. It is a booth dinette. We'll go down, make into a bed. You got some storage underneath of there. Nice big windows in there as well. Up in the front of the RV, you're going to have your bedroom area. So you have a 60 by 80 queen bed that will raise up, so there's storage underneath of there. You also have a little dresser built into the bottom of there as well. Electric outlet USB charger ports on each side, hanging closet on each side, and then you do have some upper cabinetry there as well. Now just kind of looking back in here, you can see there's little cubbies back on each side as well. The window on both sides of the beds do open. You got your TV up here on a swing arm, so you can kind of spin that around. Currently using the 10.7 cubic foot Furrion refrigerator. It's a 12 volt version. It's an electric box with breakers and fuses down there. You have your convection microwave, so you can cook electronically or microwave. Some drawer space down below. 2-burner propane stovetop with a flip up and down glass lid. Even got a little cutting board thing back there. And you have a hood range light and fan there. High-rise sprayer faucet. Little monitor for the tire pressure system as well. Little shock assist on some of these cabinet doors here. Radio over there. Step back here so you can kind of see down the whole RV here. You can see your AC system up there. Digital thermostat for the furnace and AC over there on the wall. Propane leak detector down there. Central vac with the little foot vac down there. Furnace is also right there. Pretty good size little pantry area here. Now this bathroom's pretty impressive for a smaller travel trailer here. So you do have a skylight up above, ABS tub surround, pull across vinyl door there. Basically a little step-in shower. There's 12 volt tank heater buttons down here, water heater buttons, water pump switch, porcelain foot flush toilet. You do have your little medicine cabinet area there. Vent fan up there. Now over here you have a lot of storage for your towels and linens. So a pretty decent amount of room in a bathroom for a small RV like this. Now this slide out is an electronic slide, so you push a button, it goes in and out. It's powered by 12 volt. So just kind of real quick over here, you got a little flip up counter, little electric outlet down there, but your controls up here. So you got slide button, some light switches, awning button for the power awning you'll see when we get back outside. 30 amp charge controller for the 2 or 400 watts of solar depending on how it was ordered. This particular one has 400 watts. You'll see that when we go check out the roof here in just a few minutes. But right here real quick, just want to show you, when you're ready to bring this room in, you push a button, this thing comes right on in, and it goes right on out. It is again 12 volt powered slide. They're currently using the Lippert in-wall slide, or it used to be referred to as Schwintek slide system on this model. But when it is all closed up, you'll see here, I can still come in here. If I'm stopping at a grocery store or a rest area or something, I could still come in here. I can use my fridge. I could come in here, take a nap if I needed to. And I have full access to my bathroom. So even if my slide malfunctioned and something happened, I could still use my RV. It's not shutting out the whole RV. Wouldn't be as fun, obviously, wouldn't be as roomy, but it's still functional, closed up. You push a button here, it goes right on back out. Now, if you don't mind, guys, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Help out my channel a little bit if you don't mind. As always, please remember to check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation as well, guys. They are one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. They were actually the #1 selling RV dealer in the country last year. So they will definitely save you a pretty good amount of money here if you're looking to save some money. Now I want to step back outside here, kind of show you around the outside. Let's check out the roof as well. So right here, just kind of checking some stuff out. We have white fiberglass exterior attached to an upgraded Azdel composite material instead of a cheaper wood Luan backer. You got some lower black metal skirting here, couple outdoor speakers, little porch light. There's TV hookups out here, so you could put your TV here. Single axle unit, aluminum wheel, tire pressure monitor again. Pretty good size pass-through storage area across the front. Even have a little motion light in there. The baggage doors have magnetic holders to hold them up. Front end's pretty sloped back there for a little better aerodynamics. There's a gas line hookup down there because there is a griddle that comes with it as well. Little storage, cold water spray port here. Looking at the back, you got your spare tire, little 2-inch hitch receiver on the back. That's more for like a bike rack. It's not meant to tow anything with. You do have the prepping in the top center up there for a rear observation camera. You also have prepping right there for the Lippert stow and go ladder. Now just kind of climbing up and checking out our roof here real quick. You can see again, this one was ordered with 2 solar panels. So you got 400 watts of solar on this one. You got your AC, TV antenna up here, plumbing stack vents, skylight up here as well. So you have quite a few things up here that you do need to get up here, inspect and check out from time to time and make sure that everything is functioning properly. Stepping on back down here, you can also see there is the slide out awning cover over top of that room. It's a nice option to consider adding. Helps repel a lot of water, leaves, twigs, debris, that type of stuff, and shades the room. Furnace exhaust out right here. Your gray and black tanks dump right here. You do have the hot and cold low point water drains down here. Black tank flush to clean out your toilet tank. Cable outlet here. If you want to plug into a cable at a campground or something, you can. You do have 30 amp detachable power cord. This thing's probably stretched out, I'd say 25, 30 feet roughly. Step back here so you can see this side a little better. You have your city water inlet, freshwater tank drain down below, gravity fill freshwater tank fill up right here. You have your on-demand water heater right here. Removable access panel here to get to the back of that stuff. Make sure it all works properly every now and then. Check it all out. Important stuff right here. So production date sticker right here. This unit was built 2/6/24. Has a gross vehicle weight of 5,649 pounds. Has a dry weight of 4,156 pounds. Exterior length 23 feet 7 inches. Tire is ST 225 75 R15 E-range tire with an 80 PSI cold. Very important to keep up with your tire pressure. Again, this has that tire pressure monitor to help you out as well. Power tongue jack on the front, 2 5/16 hitch ball, heavy duty safety chains, 7-way Bargman plug, single 20-pound propane tank, battery disconnect up here, room for 1 or 2 batteries to go up here depending on what you prefer. And you have little diamond plate on the front, little windshield up there as well. All right, folks, thanks a ton for taking the time to watch my RV video. Greatly appreciated. Again, if you don't mind, remember to hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Thanks again.